Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Hey my lovings, please do welcome back to yet another episode of my life. My name is Uindi for those of you who do not know me, also known as Umamaka Imino Baby You. To my returning subbies, please do welcome back, and to my new babies, please do stay and become part of the family. Kumnandi app, okay? So guys, I cannot believe that I'm actually starting this vlog while I'm so busy editing Sana. At this point in time, I feel like the boss. So I'm going through a bad hair day. And one thing about being a wife, Sana, we are polar, because what do you mean I'm just wearing a dokuni polili? I'm just kidding, guys. So I was planning on going to do my nails today, but unfortunately the lady that's supposed to do my nails, I still want to go and do my nails. So I am thinking, man, I'll just go somewhere else, because in isn't now in and you know the nails but it's just that but so I'm gonna have to go somewhere else in because Sana, I'm going through the most. So I think I'm just gonna go to Promenade because I need to exchange a few things. So then I'll see if I can then I'm gonna try and find someone else or so yeah guys, I'm not taking you guys with me to a promenade, but I think I'm gonna take you guys with me when you're Wednesday nails, okay? So let me see you guys when you're Wednesday nails. Hey my loves, and that's not welcome to a brand new day of this vlog, because izolo ndibulisile nje ndakhawuleza ndahamba. So the last time I spoke to you guys when sitting doing nails, I'm sure you guys can see my nails are not done. So bendiyochekisa into zika-Imi, then I end up senze shopping ndagqiba sekulate, and then the lady endibendiyokwenza kuye said bana ndingaza namhlanje ekuseni. Today it is a Friday, izolo beku-Thursday. So ngoku ndisuka yokwenza intloko, so I just woke up ndayokwenza intloko kuSlay by Twins, and then ngoku ndiyacinga bana it's a Friday and kuzo zonke indawo kwenza kuzo nails, kwenza kuzo intloko kugcwele. But I texted the lady again and she said bana ndingaza. I'm not sure ke ba bendiqhatha okanye benyanisile, because uthe bana kagcwelanga, and ixesha ngoku it's 22 minutes past 11. The plan, oh guys, aninixelelanga, I didn't even share bana kwenzeka ntoni kule weekend, but we are going away for a trip. Andazi noma nithi trip okanye nithi vacation okanye nithi ntoni, but whatever it is, siya kuyo. We're going to Hermanus, and then Ndonibalisela guys bakwenzeke ntoni because the initial plan besingaziya khona sitshintshe ngoku like ngoku because sihamba namhlanje and then we're coming back on Sunday but yonke into yethu ive seyatshintsha ngoku but I'm gonna tell you guys xa sesisendleleni uba kwenzeka ntoni. So I'm just taking you guys with me ngoku to go and get my nails done and I'll go home and change, maybe freshen up with and then change, then siyambeni. The plan was to leave at 12 o'clock but it seems like akho mntu ready to leave because the check-in time yethu ku 2 o'clock la ndawo ne. Yeah, so I'm with my cousins guys. This is my cousin Ukhanyi and you obviously know Lona uvela okokoko apha. So yeah guys, it's just since izolo bentende zonithatha niyokwenza nails nam, so we are doing that today and then sizophinde sibone basenza ntoni as imini ihamba. Okay. Bano yilendile istimela sgenil itaxi biziwe pakisha umthwalo vele uha ay asambeni yeah guys, I know son, I think ndinemincili excited yonke loo nto yenzeka kum, ezinye izinto ndiyazilibala. I know I said I'm gonna take you guys with me ndiyokwenza nails but sana ndiye ndalibala tu ba ndiyavloga because ndiyagoa si-late first of all and then bekukho abantu besemfuneka bephume emsebenzini efuneka sibalindile and my brother being one of them but shams elapha siphuma ngexesha eli-1 kodwa besimshawuta ekuqaleni. So yi-trip le nto guys. So ngoku we just quickly going to Emfuleni to fetch my other cousin ne and then sizohamba siye kubhuti wethu omdala which is a cousin wethu like kubhuti omdala because so le trip ne, let me just explain to you guys about the trip injani ne. The trip ye sibling, not your siblings man, ayo the trip ye cousins ne. So your cousins are from lo mama, from lo tata, like yonke la set up. The trip ye cousins bangaphi siba 11 all together. So ilondo guys, ilondo sana ndi happy ndinemincindi excited ndinqaniwe hayi khona sikhathe ngitywala.
Uthenga Somerset yo.
So miss, but I don't think ukhona umuntu okuthenga utywala yazi.
Uthenga Somerset ngeke.
Asikathenga utywala because ndishiye ne wine. Yes, sis. Ungxamisile sana nanku ungxamisile. Say hi to the vlog.
Hey is.
Bulisa kakuhle kaloku.
Sabholweni yabulisa ubhuti.
Osenhle.
Yazazi.
So yeah guys, yilondo. Ndizobana ndini update here and there. Oh, let me tell you guys a pandemic. Angangixeleli ngoku because izobandela ndizophinda ngixelele at a later stage because we had a pandemic sana but ndizanixelela guys bangangixeleli ngoku. It's already 1 minute lena. Masambeni andimhle man. Ndifishe down. Ndifishe down sana. Ndicinga uba every time ndifishile sana my husband banemincili andincome ka-100 yo awumhle awusemhle caba sana amadakhi amdika finish udika finish xa ndiwunduzela but mna ndiyakuthanda uwunduzela sham to be honest. So sihamba ngokusemfuleni guys and I think ndibona xa ndifika emfuleni ku-cousin wam.
12 5 African time.
Hey my loves, sana ndigqibele kudala uthetha nani. I think ndigqibele nini andikhumbula ndigqibele nini uthetha nani. So we are still on the way. Ndifuna nje ndinike update yendlela yethu. We are still on the way. Ngubani ixesha mntasengo?
It's 18 minutes past 8. 18 minutes past 6.
Bekusuppose basihambe ngo-12 but sana i-African time ingona sihambayo ngoku siphi sisesekhaya elitsha sisaya eHarmanas. I-check-in time yethu was supposed to be 2 o'clock but everything else was changed. So guys, let me give you an update, not an update, let me give you guys a story time eyoba kwenzeke ntoni ne. Siphantse sangahambi le trip iphantse yangahambi. So we booked indawo besibhukhe phi kanti mntase?
Was it Gansbaai?
Gansbaai, yes, we booked indawo eGansbaai like kudala we booked long ago So ubhukha kwethu kwaba right, yonke into yethu was smooth, like yonke into. And then izolo, not izolo ne, la mama usibhalele izolo.
Evening, izolo evening.
Izolo evening ne. Yaqaphela ba namhlanje is a Friday. Suppose ba siyahamba namhlanje. Usibhalele la mama izolo late. Wathi bana kuphana kula ndawo siya kuyo akho mbane, akho manzi, akho network because apparently bane power outage cause bekunomoya and then chilling intambo or something like that. Abo imbi khona ke ngoku, she's not coming up with any solutions. Imagine sizohamba Friday, so efanele sohlala pha Friday, sihlale pha Saturday imini wonke sizohlala pha, and then Sunday again si check in ekseni. Sizohlala kwindawo engenambane, kwindawo engenamanzi, kwindawo engena network, asebenzisa ifone asithini. Siyambuza bana i-generator ihleli ikhona. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi! Hi to the world.
To the vlog, not to the world. Say hi to the vlog. Skona.
Hi!
Oh, same thing.
Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment!
Don't skip ads. Say hi to the vlog, Vitu.
Hi vlog! Hi baby!
Kanyisa, say hi to the vlog. Hey guys, and then that's a bathroom. We just arrived at Glendale and son of the place. It's so stunning. To think bana le ndawo sifumene namhlanje sayikhetha namhlanje. Iyangxola ke guys ngapha ba excited. To think bana le ndawo siyibone namhlanje sayikhetha namhlanje sayibhatala namhlanje, like everything is so perfect for le ndawo. It's so beautiful. In a pool and in a jacuzzi. Ijacuzzi besingekho that big kuyo, but the fact that in a jacuzzi it's a +1 for them. So I'm not even sure what time it is. So first thing ekseni, I'm gonna take you guys through the house tour and just show you guys around. But the place is so beautiful. Imbanya ngaphandle, but when you get inside, and also it's so spacious. Guys, so I'm gonna take you guys through the house tour and I think and then eat. Games. We're also having a games night. So yeah, so let me just show you guys your shit. This is how I look today, and I'm also wearing iteki on top. I look so cute too. Sana the girlfriend your me and one. If there's one thing about me and one, sana but obviously so then every day. Yeah. Son, everything is so beautiful about Lendau. I am so happy. Like, it's so stunning, guys. Like, and even more. You want bedrooms are corner, bathroom, because it's a bathroom. I'm sure you guys can see, but like, it's giving. So, yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to see you guys today or I'm going to see you guys in Gormso, but I'm going to see you. Okay? Hi, guys. So, on the decided, I'm just going to give you a house tour. Yeah, I'm just going to take you through rooms and everything here lapha. Oh, I thought bana ndizokwazi because it's ebusuku. I think yintoni lena andiyazi ba because kukho dining room, kukho lounge. I'm really not sure about what's going on phana. So kukho le mirror apha. I love it so much. And yeah, nansi la set up, it's cute. I'm not even sure by yintoni because I think a lounge. And then going this side ukho enye lounge. I'm not sure about the lounge or yintoni. And then I love this so much. Kukho is the fridge it looks so cute, son. So this is the full lounge. Kuyangcola guys, ngicela forgive. I am not alone. So so let me take you guys. Is this the kitchen? Yes. Kuse kitchen ke ngoku apha. It's so stunning. Intle down sana. So xa sisitya ekuseni, this is where we will sit. Everyone uzohlala apha. And then a fridge yakhona. Khona dishwasher. So this is the fridge. Asikapheki nix again. Figure. So it's still empty. It's still looking so empty. And kukho ikhabhathi ngapha. Kukho is it sana andiyazi noba okay one ivuliwe. So it's just a cupboard and glasses and everything. Glasses of wine yam. So let me take you guys outside. Okay. Nalapha kukho glasses. Looking all sorts of cuties. Nancy ketile up. I think there's also a coffee machine. And I guess they're not for us. I don't even think so. Their kitchen looks so beautiful and it's so clean. And I'm not sure about when I'm not sure by I'm not sure. Let me show you guys the rooms. Oh, okay, there's also a mirror, which I also happen to love so much. So your room yokuqala lena. I think ilala abantu abayi 2 or 3, I'm not sure. I think ilala abantu abayi 2 lena. So my cousin and ubhutwethu omdala but he's my cousin. I love this so much. I think ndiyayifuna kwam. Ndizoyenza with the family pictures. So your room yokuqala lena, and then there's also lena, which is eyethu. This is where I'm gonna sleep for the weekend. So kukho izilamba apha nantsi ibhedi, and it also has the wardrobe cute apha. And my most favorite ke ngoku ile mirror. Yo, one thing about into mirror sana ndiyayithanda. So ile mirror you can just sit up and there's also a chair. You can just sit up and do makeup. And go mna andiphetanga ne makeup. We'll see about that. Okay, let me show you guys a bathroom. You sorry das. I'm not busy. Okay, someone is inside, but I'm in Vezana, and let me show you guys Lena ki bathroom because they look similar. No, not really. Because Lena in a shower and then Lena in a bath. And they also have a mirror, which I also happen to love. Anything in a mirror, count me in. And also a room Lena in a double bunk. So it's 4. So Lena ilalamanda by 4. But they are big enough now. And then bane wardrobe yabo which is also looking so cute. Yonke into manje lapha cute guys. Yonke into lapha. I am so happy with Lendlu, and I'm so happy basi decide basi zothatha yona. Oh, let me take you guys outside. Ne? Apho sizoyenza khona isizoyenza inyama sizobraya khona. Let me just show you guys. I think it's this side. Ingabe kanelanda yo braya mntase nga. Oh. Okay, this is it. Yeah. Sure you guys can see umlilo nazi inkuni sifike sezikhona nabakhona, and then gas stove lena kangento. I think it's gas stove. Onayo ne-TV, that's so big. Yo kuyangxolwa apha mabasebenza abasebenzayo. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna see you tomorrow. I'm gonna see you today. But if I don't see you today, then I'm obviously gonna see you guys ngomso. Yo, undefeated. What do you mean? Girlfriend, you're fun. So let me see you guys ngomso type. Yeah, bro.
No, ahora se está hablando. Sei marulete, mocinha. Ja, das war mal später, weiß ich.
Dennis Bonnet Army today.
Tenemos dos veces que le batallas. Which one's the biggest one? Are you going to do that off?
Hi. Oh. Bye-bye.
Mnake sana nandaba nokuze nina sidonga.
Hayi sana try
Thank you for
place.
featuring me. Featuring me just yakhe umnikazi.
Try place.
Yeah, forget guys.
Nansi ngaba.
Uthambile namazamani.
Ndazi into nemoya into nelese afuna kunonela nto. Yabona ngokubonakala phephethu kwami ndasingathi. It's not even bad thing. I'm going to
You know the shot that
Wenza mnandi ke sana ezi.
ngiyalonsa wena.
I'm telling you.
Ngilonsa.
Say something, I'm giving
Hayi,
up.
but it's not like that.
Senzani ngo? Jangan sana solo kuman.
Let's pray, guys. Guys, masiphalele amehlo unasizosithandaza. Hayibo. Okay. Because I don't like it already.
Okay, Nancy folks.
Oh, I share.
Yo,
Guys.
Hey my loves, hey my dogs. So it is a Saturday morning. The time is now 7:30. So now I just woke up. Everyone else could deliver, so now I just woke up ngoku. Ndilele couching guys. Yo, but ndilele kamandi. So yeah. So now sizokwenza breakfast ngoku, I think. Yeah, I think sizokwenza breakfast and sana kuyanetha apha antsina stress. Kuyanetha apha, but at least sizoya kwi-jacuzzi because there's also a jacuzzi. Because the plan was yenza breakfast and then sichille namhlanje, just chill epoolini, and then later on sihambe siye for the plan was to go for lunch and then xa siphuma lunch siye kwi-dinner, but we decided uba no, asisozuyenza njalo, sizoya kwi-dinner qha sizoya kwi-lunch. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on that. And ndizonibona ke kwalapha emini sandovuka sana ndidinwe down. Yo, andazoba ndidiniwe okanye ndinanto kuthiwa yibhabhalaza, but one of the two iyenzeka. So let me see you guys apha exesheni.
Oh, sasele ngumana boss.
One thing about this house, I tell one and then because you playing the rebuild from the scratch. Softness is there. Amen. Apa mandi sasra.
Sisayoqubha. Hayi sana engathi ungenwa ngapha. Inoba kungenwa ngapi? Kungenwa ngapi? Ikhona igate ya? Oh, okay. Yay, ngona selahleka sana. Sisayo swim. I'm going to show you guys the swim way anyway. Looking all curious guest down. Indawo ni gate ke okwa. Oh. Ndifuna uma ndifuna undifoto mengathi ndiseHollywood, andifuna uba ngathi ndilapha. Andifuna uba ngathi ndilapha. Hey my loves, I'm already wet. I just wanted to show you the outfits. OOTD. So this is opinion. What a time to be alive.
To be alive.
Sana, did I just not successfully did my makeup? Khanyi was found shaking Sana wherever she is. Khanyi, my dear, I think you contract here to Pelil. I think mna nawe into ebisidibanisa iphelile, because what do you mean bandisokola kangaka xa ndikude kangaka, because undispoile down Sana Khanyi. So this is the look. This is my face. Clock it. Clock it. Oh, ndicinga akanxibanga sana sendisothuka. So we're just getting ready ngoku to leave. I think sizohamba 5:30. I think the time is now 4:30. Umyeni uyafona sana phansi umoya kanqibile. So I think sizohamba 4:30. No, not 4:30, 5:30. We're sizohamba 5:30. And then yeah, I'm gonna see you guys xa ndigqiba unxiba. Ndinxibe igawuni ngekhazi wam ngoku, it's not even mine, ngekhazi wam ndiyihayijekile. Yho, angisemuhle bazongintshontsha. Hey my dolls, I am finally dressed, okay? Ndinxibile and I am looking so cute. I just want to show you guys the OOTD. You know Sana, bendisixelela uba ndizonxiba ushoti ne, bendicinga ndizonxiba ushoti ne, but ndaphatha le dress. Like I didn't know, but like everyone else unxibe ilokhwe. How nice. Everyone else unxibe ilokhwe, but khange sixelelane, we just decided uba sinxibe ilokhwe. So let me show you guys uba ndinxibe ntoni. This is how I am looking. So I'm wearing this dress from Pick and Pay Clothing. I am wearing this, I'm not sure, but okay, let me not explain, but I got it from someone. And the bag, I think it's from the Fix. The Fix, and you guys already know it's Slangu. It's from Mr. Price. And I got this hair from Ichomiam. This is a synthetic wig, guys. This is a synthetic wig. But Sana, it is giving. It's giving everything and more. So yeah. Was it Mama L or Mrs. Lutz? Yeah, we were about to leave Ngoku, I think. So I think there's only one classifier giving you guys, as soon as I give you any update, okay?
Oh, behind the scenes betuna, the outcomes and ready for zone. Ready level. Ready for outcomes. Oh, but better, welcome to Andy's YouTube channel. Dimulisa from my angle. If you are from Andy, subscribe because we in the London. Don't know if now. Why you Linden? How? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, subscribing. Usha. Okay. Okay.
Why any shout?
I apologize, but none hasn't taken any more. I have was
Some of the pictures are not picturing Ansako. A pictures as a give oh sana okosizula yonke le ndawo basifumana pictures as a right as a give guys like yonke le ndawo sama kuyi dark they are go asa
we made SE6 that there's no spanner.
Good morning, my dolls. So I just popped by because I know success. So today it is a Sunday, meaning Bana, this is our last day in the house. See, I'm going to go back to Cape Town. Yo, and the best time of my life. So I just woke up. Everyone else could because I see Bana, they've been preparing the breakfast. And the suburbs of creep. So I'm like the son of Vugango, like I'm going to but he was only Vugil and 8, and I'm like, Sunday I woke and let up here. So I'm just gonna go and have a breakfast and then cause I'm gonna have a breakfast and walk.
We are, yeah, it's only pancakes that are left, but everything else is done.
Okay. And then there's the colors and the slambe, and then it's in maybe because we're going to breakfast the hour, but in 11 so for drinks before school to okay. So slamba and then in the maybe, but I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I'm gonna see you guys. I forgot to show you guys the side of the house. So on a Sunday. I just want to show you guys the side. This is their swimming pool. I think it's because the pool I paint wanga. It looks dirty, but I come dark. It's just that ilanduka yayo i-cement ayipeyintwanga so le nto inje. And then ngiyabrayo apha but khange sisebenzisele ndawo. Khange sisebenzisele or abe sisebenzisile ebusuku ndiyaxoka besisebenzisile. So these are the chairs. Yabo uyachilla kamandi apha. You can chill apha and also you can chill apha. So ixhomekeka kuwe uba ufuna uhlala phi. Behleli apha thina ebusuku. Then sabeka itywala bethu abeka into zethu. Yabona bakukho lena and also one that side. But kule yana akutshaywa kuwo. Kuyatshaywa pha phandle. Ewe kuyatshaywa pha phandle, kuyatshaywa nalapha but awutshayeli ngaphakathi endlini. Yabo. And this is my favorite, guess the jacuzzi. Besilapha kuyo ebusuku but I think iyabamba ngoku because yeah, it's a bit cold ngoku amanzi wayo awakho shushu. Yo, Sana, this place is so beautiful, guys. I honestly give it a 10 out of 10. It is so beautiful. Ndizaninika igama layo if niyafuna uyibhukha. Ndizaninika igama layo. It's a bit pricey, but I think xa niyi group of people ningayibhukha because nizoza nibaninzi mos. So yeah, this is how it's looking. Aba kutya aba. Oh, kutya batya i-dessert ngoku and mna ndifuna. Let me see. Also they have umntu oklinayo. So every day uyeza azoklina. They have umntu oklinayo, cleaner every day. So they are playing games this side.
Yeah, that's it.
It's always games with them. So yeah, guys, Kobohlama ngoku so ndizotshintsha. I think ndifuna nochaya, khambe ndochaya ka-1 ibuka guys, ndizoyochaya ibuka. Okay, let me show you this side. But I think bendinibonisile elside. This is the side esihlala kulo kakhulu. I did show you guys this side. Ndithanda nemirror zakhona because everywhere apho uhamba khona they have a mirror. So nice. Yeah. I'm not even doing makeup namhlanje because it's just a chilled day wethu because siyagoduka. So yeah, ndizanibona guys and ndizanibona xa ndigqiba unxiba. I'm having the best time of my life. So games before we leave, before we check out. So let me just show you guys everyone. So she's trying to explain the game to umntu ebengekho. What a chilled day, Sana. I'm having a blast. I hope it's one here. But this is the light person in 9 minutes. And just like that, Gesana, we are checking out. And you go. Ingasesipinde siqalele guys kube Friday. Ingasesipinde sithi Friday siyaphinde okanye kuthiwa siyaphinde siyaplana siyaqalisa yo ndiyagowa Sana. Imagine I'm going back to abantwana bayi-2. Okay, uImi is okay, but baby you, oh Sheba, I miss umntanam so much. I thought mandizogqitha kitshomi zam ngoku, but I'm not sure bandizokwenza njani. I'm not sure because enye itshomi ine-birthday yayizolo and also enye itshomi yam there's something that she's celebrating. Andiyazi noba uyaselebreyitha nangoku okanye wenza ntoni, but ndirhalela ugqitha kubo mandibakrobe. and then maybe ndiqithe kuba ndihlale noba yi-hour or 2 since bendingekho kwi-events zabo because bendingekho on Saturday ki-event yetshomi yam, and then today also khange ndikwazi ukuya, so ngase ndibagqithe ndibajonge mani nje uba barayithi and then ndihambe. But I also miss my baby. Mandihambe ndigoduke sana ndiye emntaneni wam. Manene ndigoduke ndikubhebi you. So guys, siya ki-location yethu ngoku because sizophuma for i-drinks, just for i-drinks and just for i-lunch phofu, and then ngoku sigoduke xa sigqibileyo. So I'm gonna see you guys xa sifika phaa. Ufazi lo. So siyehla. Yes. Down. Andilambe engathi khange nditye breakfast sana. Andilambe masinde andilambe. But ishoti bendingazungena nayo nje napha. Ndilambile phana sana bekunuka ifish. Asinowa apha ke wo.
Nami zama ngami funa mfoni sembulo nayazi guys.
Masiphinzeni hayi ka.
Oh yes.
Very to cook. Sex on the beach.
Hey my lovings, hey my dolls. I hope you're right guys. Galimini. So I'm sure you guys already know okay once in the pop up the Shelly Pansy. You guys already know the drill. It's either ndiyavala okanye it's either ndiyavula, but ke in this case it's ndiyavulile, which means ndiyavala. Sana kushushu and I'm having a glass of wine. Kushushu down sana cup. So yep. Ndifuna ninika nje an update of your weekend yam, nothing much. Yo, what a weekend, guys. Sana, I think this is what I needed, ne? But I can't realize about ndiyayinida. Ukonwaba kangaka. Sana ndonwabe ndalibala neengxaki zam. Obviously must akho mntu ngenazo iingxaki. Sonke sinazo iingxaki, siyahlamba sibe bahle every day, but sonke sinazo iingxaki. Ndonwabe ndalibala neengxaki zam sana ba like bendiliva kula moment. Oh, thank you Lord for your family yam. Okay, thank you to mama no tatam because they gave me the best. If there's one thing I'm not grateful for yona apha emhlabeni family yam. Sivana sonke. Obviously ke sonke siyalwa guys, siyalwa not like silwa ngamanqindi but like siyaxabana. Ziba khona ezomini baqonda hayi ubani unqabukisile kuqatyano ibe lonto, but i-fights zethu thina we make sure ba if usixabene maybe at a later stage was realize about no man been wrong okanye yena namuntu uxabene naye realize ba no been wrong ucela uxolo. Sikhule njalo thina, sikhule singaba bantu ba if umoshile umoshe omnye umuntu nixabane, but ukhona lozo realize about no been wrong ayocela uxolo. So sikhule njalo, si inherite ebazalini bethu because abazali bethu they get along so well. Bendibona on Facebook abantu were commenting bana yo asoze mna nezami cousins asoze yenzeke ekhaya qona sana mina into endifuna ayise ndiqonda ndatsho futhi ba ndiyavuya ngefamily uThixo anike yona because they are the best like siyavana thina sivana kakhulu ekhaya and soloko sisupportana noba wenza ntoni uyayazi ba abantu bakokwenu bazoba khona uyayazi ba like siyila family nje even abantu that I've met abantu basekhaya can attest to this bana they are the best. So also they realize apha kwi-vlog bana there's a part apho bendibalisela something but ndayishiya esiphakathini ndacinga ndizophinde ndiyibalise but ndalibala. So we had a change of a venue because le ndawo besizoya kuyo besizoya eGansbaai ne. The plan was to go to eGansbaai. We booked indawo, I think sibhukhe I think by August, I think or July, July, August, sibhukhe around those times. Sabhukha sayifumana ivenue nyani, we were happy imintlela ndawo. So the day before ke ngoku imini yethu yohamba, which was on a Thursday ebusuku, not ebusuku but Thursday late phaa ngo 5-6, i-host yethu yasitext yasibhalela bana they have i-power outage, so akho mbani, akho manzi, akho network, meaning bana sizohlala phaa, sizohlala senze ntoni phaa. Imagine ushiya ikhaya lakho, indlu yakho apho kukho umbane, kukho i-network, kukho yonke into, and then you go uyohlala e-desert. Iyafana ngathi kuse-desert kaloku phana because akho nix. And we're like bana asiqondi uba bazasibuyisela i-refund okanye abazofuna sikhanselishe because seku-late. If you cancel ngoku, which means basoyiluza yonke imali yethu, and bese sibhadele in full imali enintsi. And sabanelakhi ke ngoku the host yabhalela, ndazi uba ibhalele u-Airbnb okanye yenze njani ubana ifuna ukukhanselisha i-booking yethu. Is it fine with us basekhanselisha? And that was on a Friday. I think beku-Friday around 11. Imagine, suppose bango-12 siyahamba, and we were like bana okay, no, it's fine, ngiyakhanselisha. And ukhazini wam wacinga fast, ukhazini wam uZikho bana besisesaluni bayithuma sithokwenza intloko ngeli xesha ikhanselishwa ibooking yethu, besisesaluni sokwenza intloko, yabo. Wacinga very fast uZikho bana okay, let's look for enye indawo, masakubalwe makhanselishe and then sizokhangela enye indawo. Nyani wakhanselisha, sakhawuleza sakhangela indawo, and yazi ngixelela into yethu yonke, I think ibihamba noThixo ngaphakathi because the first venue esiyibonileyo siye sayithatha. It was me and uzikhona noKhanyisa because besisobisi sodwa esalon, uKhanyisa behlele emotweni, ibisiso bayi-3, and uthe uba uzikhona ayibonela venue ndathi ndiyayithanda, wabona noKhanyisa and she was like ndiyayithanda. Sakho besenegroup, sakhawuleza isenegrouphini, we like bana I think nabanye egrouphini abantu baye bayithanda, so sathatha yona ke la venue yokuqalisa ufumane. Imagine ubhukhe ngoku ufumane ngoku ivenue, ubhatale ngoku, like yonke into yethu behamba noThixo mani, sabhatala ngoku. And laa ndawo besiya kuyo ibingekho ntle ngaphandle, uzoqonda besinayo indawo yoba siyidawuthe because ibintle yona inside but ngaphandle ibingekho ntle kakhulu. But yo, sithe xa sifika phana kulaa ndawo, it was everything and more. Stunning guys, ibintle over, ibintle down, nokhobani. So yeah, yiloo nto yenzekileyo ke siphantse sabe kanti phofu bendizoba nayo ivlog, ibizoba khona ivlog but ibizobhora man. Andiyazi bandicikisana, ibizobhora because ebusuku mhlawumbi bendingasokwazi uvloga because kumnyama. Ekuseni soyenza ngantoni ibreakfast, uzotya ntoni, sothini, yabo, ibizobhora ivlog. But ke thank you Lord ba yakwazi ukwenzeka basikwazi ufumana enye venue. I had the most fantastic weekend guys. Bekumnandi. Ingase bendinemali, ukuba nemali ube rich. Ingase bendirich ndivese ndivuke ekuseni ndithi bana abantwana bam nomyeni wam ba cela nipakishe siyahambani cela nipakishe, we're going for a weekend, like wavuke wapakishe okanye simeno aunty yosenzelayo sincedisayo. Yho sana, I can't wait ndide ndifike kulaa level yoba rich, but in God's grace izakwenzeka. So yeah my loves, I think we've done quite a lot kule vlog. I think let me love and leave you for now. I hope aniskipha nge-ads guys. Please don't forget to share your comment up and about forget heart and about forget don't. I really do appreciate your comments zenu guys. Even if we unlungisa somewhere, Nina, you always do it kakuhle. There's this lady Shame one Palela. I hope she's watching this because one Palela ku TikTok. Oh, ndanivuya ngo nandifumana message. She sent me a message on TikTok. Kaba shama kafuna ngabhali comment yakhe apha. Uthi bana Maka Imi, please, vlogger, please refrain from ukya ichepisi because it makes it difficult for us basibukele sikwazi ukubukela no concentrate. And I was like, oh my goodness, like she's so sweet, like like she still wants to watch the vlogs but udisturb le nto yoba nditya ichepisi xa ndibukela. I was like, okay, I'm gonna try my best. Ikhona nepart apha where my cousin was vlogging for me but utya ichepisi, so ndaqonda okay man bese ndifake umculo. Uyathetha yena, it was cute but ke ndifake umculo because besitya ichepisi, abantu bam bafune kutyiwa ichepisi. So ndiyanithanda guys, ndiyazithanda ii-comments zenu, ndiyazi-appreciate kakhulu. Like xa nindicorrectayo, you guys are so kind. Like nina apha kule app ni-kind kakhulu, akho mntu ukrwada, akho mntu uthini, siyalungisana nje kakuhle ngendlela right. I love you guys so much. Ndicela nicontinuishe nizifake eza comments because ndiyazi-appreciate. Ndiyaku-appreciate kakhulu ulungiswa. Like guys, ndimtsha apha, like I'm still ndisitsho cousin wam, ndithi cousin wam uba sana ndinida ikhamera kukhanyisa, ndithi mane ndinida ikhamera kutheni ngoku ingazihamba ngathi ndiyi-newbie ku-YouTube. Uthi bana bathi mntase you are a newbie. Ndithi njani i-newbie ku-20k? I-newbie ku-20k service njani? Uthi you should give yourself grace because umtsha nyani ku-YouTube, just that wena ukhawulezile, like ikhawulezile channel yakho ukukhula but uyi-newbie usemtsha qona kodwa unyanisile nyani ndimtsha guys, but it's just that nikhawulezile phofu nina, not mna cause mna nenza nganto, nikhawulezile nina apha, nikhawulezile nayikhulisa le channel, otherwise ukuba mtsha cause ixesha lendikulo suppose uba ndiseko-5k ye-subs cause andimdalanga mani ndilapha. Guys, ndiyaloqa sey-8 minutes yonke le noba sinidikiwe nani. Let me love and leave you guys. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and I'm hoping enye elandelayo izophuma very soon. Yes, I think izophuma very soon because I have an upcoming date. La date ndandixelela ngayo ngotyana, yes, I have an upcoming date, I think this weekend. So let me love and leave you guys for now. I am gonna see you on the next one. Love you guys so much. Bye for now.
Am I really that much?